Hello viewers, in this video I am going to tell you a full video tutorial about a new update from YouTube. It's called Research tab. This tool is introduced for the creators to check what is the top searches from viewers on the channel and also across YouTube in the last 28 days. So across YouTube you can pick any topic, any search term over here, and you will find out what is the content gap is over there. For example, if I search YouTube channel, then you can see Mallu YouTube family YouTube channel. These all are high search volumes on YouTube. Whenever I set content gaps only, then it will show me a content gap search terms only. For example, how to delete YouTube channel verified. Like this, you can find out number of search terms by using this research tool under analytics. This feature will be rolled out very soon in all languages very soon. Currently, this option is available only for few channels, monetized and non-monetized channels. In coming days, every channel will get this tool exclusively on their YouTube channels. So let me explain what is the content gap. You can see viewers can't find any results for their searches. It means people is searching what they are looking for actually, but they can't find what they are actually looking for. And viewers can't find an exact match. It means like how to delete YouTube channel. People are searching exactly with these phrases, but unfortunately they can't find their desired results. In Taiwan, it may be a reason of outdated content or low quality content. So it is a gap, content gap. If you make, if I make videos on this topic, then there is a possibility to get views and a lot of subscribers to my channel. This success is across YouTube. What about the your viewer success? Your viewer success is like your success is meant to be your channel subscribers what they have been searched in last 28 days. In my case, in my scenario, they are searching for WinChimney and also they are searching how to add bank account in AdSense. But unfortunately, it is not under content gap. So it is not helpful for me, but I can make this video for my channel viewers. If you click on this bookmark, then this topic has been saved under saved items. Like this, you can find through Google Trends. You can see how the trends gone in the past 12 months worldwide. Like this. So I feel that this is very helpful, very prominent tool we blessed from YouTube. So all we have to do is to create a content which viewers are interested in. If you like this update, kindly hit this video with your likes and also consider subscribing to this channel for more informative videos.